So it's the weekend. I'm so excited. It is 7:30, can't really see. And I think it's gonna be sunny today. It's really, really cold. It's -11. So I booked the gym because normally on the weekends I like to not go to the gym and just like do a long walk outside. But it's really cold out, and the cold is and like wind is really bad for my rosacea. So Milla's chewing. I don't know what else we're doing today. We're gonna have to see what we get up to. We don't have too many plans. I have some plans tomorrow. I think I'm gonna make this like what I ate in a weekend. -11. Wow, very strong. Whoa. Oh, good girl. Thank you. You're a good girl, Willa. Yes, you are. Do you want to go outside on the deck? Do you want to go outside on the deck? Careful. We're out of the salted caramel protein, so I'm using this one, and I do like this one, but now I'm just so used to the salted caramel flavor, I feel like it's not going to taste as good. I'm sad, but I do like this one. Who's calling me? Hello? Oh, you're in my driveway. Okay, see you in a sec. Hey, y'all. You don't even know. You don't even know that your auntie's here. Who's that? Oh, it's Bridget! Oh, you smell your boyfriend. I also just remembered that I have to take my vitamins. So you guys have heard me talk about Ritual before, but basically, even with a perfect diet, it's really hard to get every single thing that you need on a daily basis. Ritual is just helping people fill the nutritional gaps in their diet. So the ones that I have are the Ritual Essential for Women. One of the most commonly asked questions I get by people who want to go vegan or who are like new vegans is, do I take any supplements? And if so, which ones do I take? And this one is really great because it's not like all the other ones that just have kind of everything in it. They really like decluttered the multivitamins. Are vegan, non-GMO, sugar-free, gluten-free, allergen-friendly, and they also have a men's multivitamin, a vitamin for age 50 plus. They have prenatal, postnatal one, and then one for teens as well. They definitely have something for everyone, and they have a subscription service so that you don't have to worry about running out. You just get it on a schedule. And they are an anti-nausea capsule, so you can take them on an empty stomach. It also has a mint tab. Where is it? Right here. So this thing is like, it smells like peppermint, and this just keeps them tasting and smelling fresh. And so because vitamins don't work overnight, Ritual is offering you 10% off your first 3 months. So go to the link in the description box below and use this code at the checkout to get 10% off your first 3 months of Ritual. So overall, Ritual is such a great brand. I really love working with them. I love the product so much. So if you guys want to try it and you want to get 10% off your first 3 months, click the link below and make sure to use my code at the checkout, and that will get you 10% off of 3 months. I'm gonna shower and get ready. What do you think, Hazel? Yeah, same. I have this leftover gnocchi that I really have to use up. So I'm gonna have this. Also, if you guys are looking for gnocchi recipes, I have lots on my blog. I have like a chowder, I have a rosé sauce with actual like homemade gnocchi, and then we have a crispy cornflake crusted gnocchi with like a basil cream sauce that you dip it in. It's so good. I wanted to explain a couple things because there's been not confusion, but just like comments on some of my last few vlogs about these things. So first of all, Willa is only in her cage pretty much all the time now because she's recovering from a major surgery. And we're on week 5 out of 12 of recovery, but she still has to be like limited to where she can go. So that's why she's just like in a cage most of the time. The other thing is COVID. So I live in Nova Scotia. Basically right now we've had like no new cases for a pretty long time. We had a spike back in the fall, and so we went back into lockdown for a couple weeks or maybe like a month. And then everybody followed the rules and things just got back to normal. So there's a few more restrictions now, like weddings are kind of a no-go right now. And like restaurants and bars have to close by 10, but you can still pretty much do everything as long as you're wearing a mask and social distancing. And we still only have like, I don't know, like 10 cases tops maybe. Nova Scotia has just done a really good job throughout COVID of containing all of this. Yeah, I just wanted to mention that because I know I have viewers all over the world and you might be curious what the COVID situation is here. So there it goes. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna finish our dinner. We went out this afternoon, just like, you know, out and about. And now we're watching New Girl, and we're just gonna chill. We have the gym booked for 9:30, and I woke up really hungry today. I would say that happens like 50% of the time. When I eat later at night, I'm always so much hungrier in the morning than if I eat at like 6 p.m. at night, and then I'm not hungry in the morning. Anyway, so I'm super hungry, so I think I'm gonna have something before the gym. Say good morning. Good morning. Okay, I'm gonna have half a cinnamon raisin English muffin with a little bit of this cream cheese.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. show me where the ending goes. Honest.
You haven't even gone to the bathroom yet today.
I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone.
Another day, another protein smoothie. This is the same smoothie that I made yesterday, except we got more protein powder. So we got the Iron Vegan French vanilla one. Our plan for the day is we're gonna go to Costco and we are going to use Greg's mom's old like UV lamp to redo our nails. This is what my nails are looking like right now. So we went to Costco and I am just heating up some pizza, literally a single piece, because it's like, what time is it? 2 o'clock and I'm not super hungry, but I still have the coffee jitters. So I'm heating up a piece of pizza and then I gotta upload the podcast and then we can do our nails. Oh, it's good. Yes. Hi, baby. You're a good girl. Oh, thank you.
The other reason we didn't buy any books there.
Hi.
Oh, good.
They look kind of cool, I guess.
I love that.
This kind of looks good with your fur, Hazy. Blue's your color. Blue's your color, babe. Aw, these are cute. Hi, baby. He's a good girl. He's a good girl. What do you think of my nails?
Very pretty. Did a great job. You can't show yourself making stir fry again.
Well, I am making stir fry again.
Okay.
Look, guys, this is a realistic. You know what? I know people watching have like pizza both nights of the weekend, or like McDonald's both nights of the weekend, or whatever you guys have for dinner that's your favorite food. Don't judge, because we all eat the same things all the time. When I was growing up, we ate the same 4 meals every 4 days. Like, it's fine. I love you. Also, I took Hazel for a little walk a few minutes ago. And guess what was walking by our driveway / chilling in our driveway? A baby pig on a leash. Maybe I'll insert your story, Greg, when I edit this, because it was a potbelly pig, not a micro pig, so it's gonna get big. He was like, it's probably gonna get as big as your dog, and I was like, anyway, after Madison and Bridget left, I was hit with cramps. So I'm just not feeling it, and all I want to do is like curl up on the couch. So I think we're just gonna make noodles and curl up, and someday I'm gonna make something for dinner other than stir fry, and it's gonna shock everyone. So these are just the field roast chicken nugget things. So we're just gonna go eat dinner, watch a movie, go to bed early because tomorrow's Monday and we got stuff to do. Have the gym at 7:30. So we're just, you know, gonna have a chill night in. watching this video and for hanging out with me this weekend. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you Ritual for sponsoring this video. Again, if you guys want to try out Ritual for yourself and get 10% off your first 3 months, then the link is below and the code to use at checkout is below as well. Okay, that is everything for me today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.